Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel, Door Travel, and thank you for staying here with me again. And today's episode is about my travel and souvenir edition. And today, have you heard about the perfume with cannabis or marijuana? Well, it's my first time as well to have this kind of perfume. That's why I included it in my collection. Okay, I'm talking about one of the famous perfume called Florabotanica by Balenciaga. Okay, so without further ado, let's discuss about my experience and review about this perfume. And it's come in a very beautiful, lovely bottle. That striped thingy. You see that? Wow. Okay. I bought this perfume while I was in duty free as well, and I fell in love with the bottle. And then when the sales lady told me that it has marijuana, and I said, "Huh? Never heard of it, so let me have one." Well, not use it, just smell for me. So it's up to you who's the unlucky person can smell cannabis in me. But well, it's turned out to be good, not a very bad smell. Okay, let's start. Okay, so upon initial spray, this Florabotanica perfume bursts with very mint, rose, and cannabis. The rose in the ingredients here smell of freshly cut rose, very crisp and clean. And then the rose tend to be go milder afterward, and the new smell coming out, which is a mass undertone, and which is really a mood booster. Well, that's for the cannabis, right? And then after that, it makes the scent smell clean when the scents of rose and cannabis blend to each other. I love to wear this during summer, even if very humid. It's fine. It's really citrusy. And at first, initial spray, oh my god, you smell cannabis, oh what that smell. And then later on it blend musky, rosy, greenish, and the cannabis is just only a little bit of base note on it. It's really not overpowering. And after that, I can detect smell of Chance by Chanel after the dry tone, and a little bit of how do you call this, have you smelled some kind of carnation rose? It's coming like a really carnation rose, pinkish rose after a while. Very sweet, powdery. And the longevity is almost like 10 hours really. For the clothes, and for the skin I think it's 7 hours. Its sealage is depends on the person who's smelling you, because it has different face. It's dimensional, it's changing a bit. Sometimes cannabis is coming out and it's gone. Sometimes the carnation rose is coming and gone again. So it's really confusing. Oh, what you smell is really not really like one straight, like one ingredients or one smell. It's like it's multifaceted, so it's changing every hours or every minute. So depends. I think it has as well with variation of the temperature, how it goes hand in hand with cannabis and the carnation rose. And that's all for today, and hope you find it very informative. And by the way, just in case you encounter this fragrance, I heard it's been discontinued, and you can straight away grab one, because it's very hard to find in any duty free or any online shop. Just in case you want to buy online, make sure the supplier is legit. And that's all, folks. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day. Well, lovely smell of cannabis from me. Thank you for watching. Hope you find it interesting, and see you soon.